Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're doing well and welcome again to OK Academy. Alright, who's this? Who's this? This is a boy. This is a boy or a child. So in Arabic we say طفل. طفل. طفل means a child. And what's this? This is a train. This is a train. هذا قطار. هذا قطار. 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 And what's this? This is birds. Birds. It's plural. So we have طيور. هذه طيور. هذه طيور. طيور. Now, what is the sound that is repeated on all these three words? The sound is t, t, t. The sound is t. It's not t, t. No, it's t, t. In IPA, you write it like this. Like t. But here we have like a question mark that is in Arabic. Question mark of Arabic. Oh, this is T in IPA. But in Arabic we have harf الطاء. harf attaa. Write it like this. And we draw a vertical line. T. Harf ta at the beginning. Harf ta at the middle. And harf ta at the end, if harf ta is attached, and if it is not attached, write it like this. This is harf ta, harfu attaa, harfu attaa. So harf ta, here we have ta, ta, to, طي ط طا طو طو طي طي طن طن and طن طن. Let's repeat. طا طو طي طا طا طو طي طن طن طن. In harf ta we don't draw a small vertical line that we saw in harf sad and dad. No, we don't draw this and then draw. No, we don't draw this one. No, just draw a long vertical line like this. Now let's read harf ta in words. Here we have ma, ta, run, matarun, matarun, matarun. Matarun means rain. Here we have to, you, run, toyurun, toyurun. Toyurun means birds. Here we have tiflun, tiflun. Tiflun means a child. And here we have sa, ta, lun, satlun, satlun. Satlun means a pail. Qi, ta, run, قطار, قطار. قطار means a train. Here we have بطولة, بطولة, بطولة. بطولة means a championship. Here we have بطيخ, بطيخ. بطيخ means melon. 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 بطيخ means melon. And here we have قط 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 قطن قطن and قطن 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 mean cat, a cat. Alright, this is the end of harf ta. See you next time, and don't forget to subscribe to have more videos. See you next time.